Sweetwater Union High School is a public high school located in National City, California, and serves approximately 2,700 students. Every February, Sweetwater counselors spend several weeks meeting one-on-one with students to help them with the pre-registration process, selecting core classes and a wish list of electives that might fit with student schedules for the upcoming academic year. The problem is, Sweetwater has a high counselor-to-student ratio. With only 7 counselors to assist 2,700 students, the pre-registration process is an arduous task that detracts counselors from their other important duties, like mental health support. Due to recently issued pink slips, the counselor-to-student ratio is expected to get worse. Another issue is that student learning is interrupted since pre-registration occurs during class time. Counselors have urged students to prepare ahead of time by looking at the list of courses the school currently offers prior to meeting with them. However, that list of approximately 175 courses is currently only available as a spreadsheet that isn't student-friendly and is frankly not a pleasure to sift through. The proposed solution was to build an online course catalog for Sweetwater High that is searchable and filterable, and soon the solution was expanded to include a course scheduling wizard to streamline the pre-registration process by allowing students to construct their course wish lists, which counselors could then pull up using the student's user ID. This project was implemented on the Drupal 8 platform because as a content management system, it's easy to hand off to counselors to maintain once everything is configured. Counselors are given a specific role that enables wishlist lookup and the ability to update, add, and remove courses from the catalog system. Only the head counselor is given the permission to add a new counselor to the system or to delete old ones when there are personnel changes. The course scheduling wizard was developed as a custom Drupal 8 module, written in PHP and manipulated at the view layer with Twig templates and CSS. It makes use of the Entity API to dynamically load relevant courses based on student preferences and graduation requirements. The Drupal Search API was leveraged to expose efficient and accurate search functionality for looking at courses and student wish lists. Let's see everything in action. We'll start with the course search functionality. From the front page, any user can search for a course by name or by type of class. Let's search for math classes. You'll notice that even math classes that do not have math in the title but are classified as math classes show up in the search. This is because, using the Search API, courses are indexed on not only their titles, but on keywords added to the graduation requirement that a course is tagged with. On the search results page, you can click on any class title to view its full description. Any of the tags for graduation requirement, A through G requirement, or the other attributes are also clickable to bring up other classes that are in the same category. Now let's explore the course scheduling wizard. Students first provide their name, ID, and grade level that they will be entering next academic year. The ID will be used by counselors to pull up their submitted wish list, while their grade level is used to filter courses to the ones that are available to their grade level. Next, students are asked to answer a few questions so that their course choices at each step of the wizard will be more relevant. If a student selects that they are interested in taking AP or honors courses, for instance, they will see AP and honors courses among the college prep courses. For some subjects, students have the option to mark that a requirement is already met, since those subjects are not required for all 4 years of school. Once selections have been made for each graduation requirement, the student is shown a summary of their selections to review. At this point, they can still go back to change their options, but if everything looks good, they can enter an optional note to their counselor and submit their wish list. A message is displayed to confirm the submission was successful. Now we'll see how a counselor would look up the wish list we just created. The counselor is an authenticated user, so first we'll log in. You'll notice that a counselor has access to more menu items than an anonymous student does, including the wish list search. Not only is the link inaccessible to anonymous users, but the path is as well. To look up a wish list, the counselor only needs to enter a student's wish list, and there it is. Last, let's look at how a counselor would add a new course to the system. The content creation link is located in the shortcuts section of the counselor's user panel. There are a number of different content types present on this project, but notice how the counselor is limited to only creating course content. To create a course, the counselor only needs to fill out the fields indicated. Before saving the new course, the user must preview the content to verify that it is correct. This solution not only empowers students to take ownership of their academic careers, but it minimizes the amount of hours the counselors are taken away from serving student welfare, while also reducing the amount of time classes are disrupted. By completing this project, I was able to give back to the community while gaining new skills in Drupal development, including theming, creating a custom module to enable the scheduling wizard, and working with Drupal's search and entity APIs. Thank you.